Has the number of conversions from your Google Ads recently dropped off a cliff? I can show you where the problem is in your Google Ads account and how to fix it. Hi, I'm Gary Horton with Fine Life Marketing. Let's get started. In the past weeks, my colleagues and I have noticed a significant drop in the number of conversions our clients were getting. The number of clicks were the same. However, fewer clicks were converting into customers. If this is happening to you, take a look at your ad's SiteLinks. Recently, Google has been automatically adding SiteLinks to ads. And to make things worse, when a prospect clicks on one of these automatically added SiteLinks, they are directed to the bottom of the landing page instead of the top of the lander where the sales message is. When this happens, the prospect only sees the end of the landing page, which can be confusing. They miss the attention-grabbing top of the landing page and see only the bottom, the afterthought part. Naturally, they click away, wasting the ad spend. Here's how to fix it. At the account level, click on Ads and Assets. Then click on Assets. Click More. Click Account Level Automated Assets. Click on More again, then on Advanced Settings. Turn all of these off. Once you have turned these off, you still can't be sure Google will leave them off. So make it part of your daily or weekly optimization routine to check your assets to be sure nothing has crept in that would jeopardize your ads. Remember, check your assets. I hope you found this video helpful and can quickly restore the number of conversions you should be getting from your ads. If you need help with your Google search ads, get in touch. At Fine Life Marketing, we specialize in managing Google Ads for home services. Google Ads are an excellent marketing strategy for a home service company of any size as long as they have the budget and the patience to stay in the game. If you'd like to know more about Google Ads and professional Google Ads management, we offer a free 45-minute consultation, and we're always available to answer your questions through email. Our contact information is on the screen and in the description below this video. I'm Gary Horton. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.